Nose breathing. We have two ways to take in air, through the nose or through the mouth. Many times the question comes up, which one is better? It depends. Nose breathing stimulates the diaphragm work and the abdomen breathing, and breathing through the mouth stimulates, we use more the chest. Obviously, nose breathing is much more healthy. And why? Because the nose has two functions, for smelling and for filtering the dirty air. When you go into a big city with a lot of smoke, and then you check your nose, your mucus will be black. So you can see how dirty the air is and how necessary it is to breathe in through the nose. If we breathe in through the mouth, obviously we take in all this dirt from the air. Another reason is the way of the air through the nose into the lungs is much longer. That makes the diaphragm work harder, and because the diaphragm is a muscle which needs work, as our biceps need to do work, otherwise they become weak. Thick or old people breathe through the mouth because it's much easier, like a fish out of the water. There's a saying, the person who breathes already through the mouth will die soon. So that was just an introduction why we should breathe through the nose. And now we come to the nose breathing. Obviously the first thing is the nostrils should be clean. There should not be any obstacle. And what can we do to clean them? Take a handful of lukewarm water, close one nostril and sniff it in and blow it out. Sniff it in and blow it out. The same with the other side. So you feel that both nostrils are open. And now, as I am my own guru, and I established my own tradition 30 years ago, so I made a little change to the way how to hold your hand while you do the nose breathing. Generally, you are shown that we should bend these two fingers, and with the ring finger we close the left nostril, and with the middle finger the right. So I make this little change. You can try out both hand postures, which you find out which one is better for you. We use the middle finger and put it in between the eyebrows. Then the ring finger closes the left side, and the middle thumb closes the right side. So what we are doing, as you can see, we form a triangle. We use the pressure of the middle finger to concentrate, to keep the mind concentrated here. So that's the position of the hands. Now we can divide the nose breathing in two phases: quick breathing or slow breathing. And another group will be with sound vibration. So we start first also with some variation. You are probably accustomed just to the alternative breathing, but we put in some variation. So put the middle finger on the spot in between. Close the right nostril. And now we inhale slowly, just to the left, and exhale again through the left. So you open, inhale, close, hold, press, and open, and exhale again. Now we'll do it in explanation. Well, you do the same with the right side. Close the left one and inhale, close, hold, open, exhale, close for a moment without air, and so on. In, X, that's the right side. Now comes the second variation. When inhales through the left and exhale through the right side. Only left in, right out. Open, in, hold, open right, X, out, close, left, open, in, close, hold, open, X, and close. Now I will do it. Okay. You can do the traditional alternative breathing, left in, right out, right in, left out. You can see it in other videos. So that was the slow breathing. Now we do the quick breathing. It's the same technique, just quicker. The most important thing is you have to feel it in the diaphragm. So it's not just nose breathing, it's a strong movement of the diaphragm. So short breathing, just one side. And a long out breath. Right side. As long as the inhalation and exhalation are equal, you will never run out of air. Now we go to the next step. Left in, right out. Quick breathing. Start slowly and then do it fast and faster like a locomotive. So you can do it right in and left out, like out. And we can do it also as a traditional belly breathing with doing just without the hand, just quick inhalation. Just so it's for a short moment. You know that from other traditions. Ha! So that works the nose and especially works the diaphragm. Now we go to the last part, the humming exercise. Again, we close one side and hum out as long as possible just through the left side. So inhalation. Okay, you're going to repeat it on the right side. Inhalation and outhalation. Just causing a vibration here which goes up into the brain. Now, we close both nostrils from below, just leave a little space so that the air can go out and produce a nasal sound. We can even move a little bit the tip of the nose so the vibration is much stronger. And now, without the fingers, lift a little bit your nose and make a nasal sound. And the last exercise is a long inhalation and 3 short exhalations through the nose. Okay, so to calm down, you can do the traditional alternative breathing. Left in, hold, open right, exhale, close, right in, hold, left out, close. So these were some exercises for nose breathing. I hope it has some effects on your breath. It becomes stronger. That gives you more vitality.